Hello everyone, my name is Emily Jo and I am the Instructional Technology Coordinator for ePortfolios at the University of Arizona. I'm so excited to walk you through how to set up your Digication portfolio. So as you can see, you will start by going to arizona.digication.com. If you have not logged in already, it'll prompt you to log in with your NetID. From here, to get started, you'll click this big plus button and then title your portfolio. So for example, I might title mine Schwaller CIRTL Sample, and that ends up being my URL. As you can see, initially your ePortfolio will be private, and then later you can change the settings. You can also choose a different image if you want, but you can definitely go ahead and replace this throughout. From here, you're going to pick a template, and the one that you're going to choose is the CIRTL portfolio template, which will have all the information that you need. From here, you'll go through and click Create. As you'll see, will start to process these different pages of your portfolio. As it's processing, we can see already that there are various placeholders for different activities you will be doing throughout your program. So you will be able to go to your portfolio once it's done, and then from here you'll notice that there are instructions for each of these different ideas. As you can see, there's a lot of images and text and different things that you can do in Digication. I've also created a video that explains some of the different ways that you can change and customize your portfolio that I also recommend you watch. But the last thing I wanted to emphasize and show you is whenever you share your portfolio, you have to publish your changes. If you don't publish your changes, your audience won't be able to see your materials. You can do this with this little yellow bar. You can also, in this area right here, click Settings, Publish List Pages, or Publish Pages. Additionally, here is where you will go through and make it accessible to various audience members. So for example, I might share it directly with Kristen Winnett or another faculty member. I can also do it to specific groups or users, or make it shareable across the university. Once you're ready, you will click Save Settings, and then your portfolio is ready to go. I'm so excited and look forward to seeing what you come up with. And please do not hesitate to reach out and ask if you have any questions about Digication or ePortfolios in general.